So you're going to record an Ignite with Screencastify. So the first thing you do is click on the Screencastify extension and get that to load. Now the embed webcam will not work, so we're going to turn it off. It won't work because we're going to go full screen. We're going to show more options. I'm going to make the countdown 5 seconds to give myself a little bit more time to get myself set up once I start recording. I'm going to press record. It's going to ask me which screen I want. I'm going to do this entire screen, and I'm going to press share. That gives me the time to go into present mode. And it's starting to record right now. I'm going to auto advance every 15 seconds. And I hit play. As time goes on, I'm going to do my Ignite. I'm going to go through my slides. Eventually, I'm going to hit this pause button down here in the bottom left corner when I'm done giving my presentation. When I'm done doing that, I press the pause button to pause the recording, and then press the square to stop and end the recording. Once I do that, it's going to open up a new tab, and it's going to have my 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, however long my Ignite was, it's going to have that in here. I can pause it. I can make some edits if I want to. I can trim it. I can open it in the editor to trim it out if I need to. Most important thing, though, is we want to save this and not call it untitled with the date. We want to give it a name. Now, if you don't like it, if you want to redo it, you can always trash it. But we're going to record this as Ignite Demo. And that's it. What it's going to do is it's going to automatically save it to Google Drive. So if I come back over here to Google Drive and I go down to my Screencastify folder, we will see ignitedemo.webm, which is right here. This is the one I just did. I could always check the date on it by switching to my sort of list view as opposed to my big block view. And I can see that this is the one I've just done today. I can click on it, use my 3 dots to rename it if I want to. I'm leaving the .webm there. I can click the 3 dots and I can move it. And I can decide that I'm going to move it to a different folder inside of my drive. So I could always click on, let's say, a teaching folder, click move. Or if I'm moving it to a shared folder, I go back one more, I see shared with me, I click shared with me, and I can see all the folders that have been shared with me, and pick the one that I want. Let's pretend it's this Ignite. Click it, I can click move, and it'll move it in there. If I want to share it through the link, click on it, click the link icon, change it from restricted to only Scarsdale Public Schools. I can then copy the link and say done. And that is how I rename with the 3 dots, move the file to a different location, or use the link option to change the view settings from restricted to Scarsdale Public Schools. Thank you.